Alright, I'm hanging out in this pretty cool elevator room. Old freight elevator down there. But that is not what the video is about. Today we're going to use this Yellow Jacket manifold maintenance kit, and we're going to rebuild a Series 41 manifold. Okay, now in the kit we have the Brute 2, Titan, and Series 41 parts to rebuild all those manifolds. And it's a very good idea to rebuild them because, I mean, this is still a good manifold. Why would we throw it out? Why not just rebuild it? Okay, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So here's all the new parts we're going to need to put this back together and rebuild the manifold, and I'm going to use some Nylog Blue as an assembly lubricant. So that's it, guys. We rebuilt that manifold very quickly. All brand new parts. There's the old parts there. And just remember that this kit is for the Brute, the Titan, and the Series 41 manifold kits. That's it, guys. Happy HVACing.